It was great fun because I think that was the challenge, to make sure that a different part of my personality was displayed with every film.
At that time, he had told me that he's already shot a film with Shayoni, and that that's the kind of cast that he's looking at for bringing in all the films together. And I was like, oh, Shayoni, great.
We had a great time shooting it. It was so long ago that I don't remember my character.
Hello everyone, welcome to peepingmoon.com. I'm Rashida Sahani, and today joining me for a super interesting conversation are Gauhar Khan, Shayoni Gupta and Adeeb Rais for their upcoming anthology Kali Pili Tales.
So firstly, there's this really unique concept that all of you are coming for, that's called Kali Pili Tales. So, I'll start off with the director. Adeeb, tell me more about it. Firstly, it's an anthology sort of a show. So earlier we have seen several anthologies, and every short film in it has a different director who's directing it. Now you have directed all 6. So tell me your experience, and was there any challenge doing that?
Honestly, it was definitely challenging because, like you said, usually with an anthology, there are 6 different directors. Here, it was one director and one writer. So it was tricky because we wanted every film to kind of have its own identity, and we didn't want it to look like similar to each other, because the whole point of an anthology series is each film should have its own flavor. So as soon as it gets repetitive, there's no point making one. So I think I took time with it. Like, we've been working on the series for 2 years. So that really helped because I had enough time to get out from one film to another, get into a different zone, work on each film separately to make sure they each have their own identity, each have their own world. We're creating beyond the stories, even visually. We try to, showcase different kind of milieu in each film. So yeah, there was a lot of work that had to be put in because it was one writer and one director. But it was great fun because I think that was the challenge, to make sure that a different part of my personality was displayed with every film. So yeah, I loved the entire process. It was great fun.
Great. Firstly, congratulations, Gauhar, for the amazing response for Chauda Fere. And you're most welcome. Now, I watched the trailer of Loose Ends, your film called Loose Ends, and in that you're seen acing the role of a wife, and then you say, I'll be even a better mother. So, tell me something more about your role, and what was that one thing that, prompted you to be a part of Kali Pili Tales?
Well, Adeeb and I have been talking for a while, I think a couple of years, I think on a few projects, and he's just the nicest, most genuine person I've come across. When he narrated the story to me, I thought it was different. It has not been attempted till now. And then at that time, he had told me that he's already shot a film with Shayoni, and that that's the kind of cast that he's looking at for bringing in all the films together. And I was like, oh, Shayoni, great, okay, amazing. The films are going to be of a certain credibility, and everybody that Adeeb's going to bring on board is going to be like great actors with great stories. And that's what I was like, okay, let's do it. And now that I see Soni ma'am, and there's Vinay Pathak sir, and there's of course Manvi and everyone, these films are shot, I think, after my film. And every time he told me, okay, now I've shot with this one, now I've shot with that one, I was like, okay, great, even more exciting, So I just feel happy and honored to be a part of a project which has such fabulous actors. And Anu, the character, is very interesting. It's something that I haven't really attempted till now, a subtle wife who's got her own struggles in life. And I just want people to watch it and enjoy it. And I can't wait to watch all the other films also, Adeeb.
Yeah, I'm excited for everyone to watch each other's films and see what they like and don't like about it.
Yeah. I'm excited to watch all 6. Okay, great. As Gauhar said, Shayoni, there is a certain kind of credibility that's true whenever you're coming. So now I have seen you pass on good and important messages with films like Article 15, 4 more shots for that matter. Even Manvi was there. So, so you tell me, what are you, what's the part you're playing in Kali Pili? And is there like a message that's hidden in Single Jhumka?
First of all, thank you, Gauhar. That's really sweet. But honestly, when Adeep told me about the film, I read, and it was a very interesting script. But as Gauhar said, Adeep has a personality which is undeniably like it's the sweetest kind of energy you can come across, and he's and I'm not just,
I
and
don't know where
I'm
you
sure we all feel like that, and it's very rare, his that kind of kindness that he comes with, and very genuine, not really fake. And I was like, listen, I'll do it, I'll do it for you. And of course the script was very interesting, and my co-actors, I have two co-actors, Bhuvan Arora and Priyanshu, who are very, very dear friends of mine. One being my classmate from FTI, and the other I've done like multiple short films with. So it was really like jamming with friends, And at that point, of course, there were other films were not made yet, but Adeep was telling us, oh, I have these ideas. And I don't think at that time I understood, or, the anthology plan was really there. He was just making these films and trying to put them all together. But we had a great time shooting it. It was so long ago that I don't remember my character. No, but I loved doing the scenes. It's interesting, I mean, you watch the film, you'll know we did a lot of guerrilla shoots in Marine Drive at 5 a.m, and it was very, very exciting, and like it really felt like jamming with friends, So, Baki to, I'm excited to watch my film and everyone else's.
Thank you so much for joining in. It was a pleasure talking to you all. All the very best for Kali Pili Tales. Bye bye. Thanks.